Hello guys, welcome to the Tech Saw channel. Today we will explore the world of brave lumberjacks and their skill. Get ready to witness professional wood cutting techniques and learn valuable safety tips. Let's get started. Things are only dangerous when you don't know what you're doing. Oh no, the houses are avoiding the wrath of the high branches with this smart approach. He's so precise, he got the right direction. Absolute reliability. Imagine a huge tree that big takes 2 days to cut down. Sadly, that's exactly what happened. He is so professional to cut down a huge tree in such a short time. Commendable. These are the sounds of the days, both gentle and strong. From this perspective, you can see the danger and challenge, a moment of distraction, and the risk of losing balance is real. Every time the tree starts to fall, you feel both scared and excited. It's an indescribable feeling, completely parallel. He is a real expert. Watching his work is actually more satisfying when it collapses. It feels like witnessing part of an ancient forest's history collapse majestically, but with a bit of regret. Wages, day labor. Those guys not only cut down trees, they also challenge the trees by weight with chainsaws. Every move is calculated like a dance with the giants of nature. Prepare all safety equipment, observe and choose the correct working posture. That is one of the golden rules he must follow. Working at height is really dangerous. The scenery is truly majestic. The logger's job is to clear and cut down dead and rotten trees. Their experience in observing and organizing their work ensures they stay safe while completing their tasks. First-hand experience of the thrill of danger. There is nothing more challenging than moving a large tree next to a house. Any wrong move can lead to serious consequences. To complete the job, you must have professional qualifications and absolute determination in assessing the height of the tree, the diameter of the natural leaning tree trunk, and especially the safe distance between surrounding structures. Invincible. How long do you think it will take him to take down this giant monster with that giant chainsaw? Leave a comment below. Join us as we watch lumberjacks cut down giant trees. Well done. It is the result of teamwork. Efficiency helps prevent the risk of harm to yourself and everything around you. For a true professional, there is nothing they cannot do. Nature really knows how to play tricks when a tree falls. The sound of a chainsaw is always a mix of gentleness and power. Oh my God, what confidence do they have to do this dangerous job? There are always surprises in this job, requiring quick reflexes and proper safety. It was the satisfying sound of a tree fall. Perfect. The lumberjack's cutting technique. He had used it for many years. Do you think it was really dangerous? A gust of wind blew the tree and lifted its roots out of the ground, which was very dangerous. Luckily, no one was around. This is a safe method of dealing with a dead tree, instead of removing it with a chainsaw, which requires a professional team and a large and safe area to avoid damaging surrounding structures. The coordination with the saw made it easier for them to complete the task more efficiently. Amazing engineering. Watching that giant tree fall is like watching an artist complete their masterpiece. Leave a comment below if our videos amaze you. Your support fuels our creative fire. Oh God, the cut needs to be a little deeper. I think the chainsaw will tell you.